Hello, I wanted to tell you a little bit about two model steam engines that I've just restored. They were originally built by Tony Lezinski several years ago, and I have restored them over the last couple of years. This first one here is a Stuart D10 with reversing gear. And that really is a marine engine for a boat maybe up to about 48 to 60 inches long. And you can see it is set up for steam because it's got a lubricator there. And what I had to do with it was really adjust the timing and polish it all up and put a new base on it. It was fairly straightforward and fairly easy to work on, and that was restored towards the end of 2017. This model here is a two-cylinder horizontal steam engine, a freelance design, I think, but it was quite in a bad way, and took quite a while to restore it. I had to again clean it all up, polish it up, tune it a little bit to make it run fairly smoothly, put new belts on around the governors, and I painted the black metal base and resurfaced and restained the wooden base. The dynamo has been painted, but unfortunately it only gives out about 1 volt, so we have to supplement it with additional voltage to produce the light. And I also had to rewire the lamp, which was because the wires were pretty bad shape down here. But you can see, and also put a new pulley on, build a new pulley for it so that it could put a flat belt around the flywheel to make it work. But you can see now that both of them work pretty well, and I'm very pleased with the final outcome of them, and I hope you enjoy them.